You're sick. You dropped down and broke your foot. When? Lord Jesus Christ. So me have to come down there this weekend then. Oh God. Really? Alright. Me I go pack up my things them and come right now. Joseph, you know hear what? Mommy drop and broke her foot. Lord Jesus. All the plans we have for Valentines this weekend have to go crash car. Me have to go down there go spend time with her. Lord Jesus. Don't worry yourself. Next year I'll make it up back to you. Natasha, me want you to do something for me. Tomorrow, me want you come up here. Me go call you. Me call you when babes are here and you come up here and come tell me say your mother dead. Tell me say your mother dead and you can't spend this weekend alone, so me have to come down to come spend it with you. You hear? Me go call you when in there. Cause me have a plan for this week. Me have a plan for this weekend. Yeah man, you want me come spend. Yeah man, you book resort for me come spend the weekend with him. Yeah man, and me find a way to get to it. So when time babes come tomorrow, you call and you come up here. Come up here and start balling, ball and roll and ground so your mother dead. Alright, thanks. Listen, from weekend I be a peer argue with me now. And I'm gonna tell you, me not take it no more. This weekend, me not stay here with you, make you argue with me. Me I'll go pack up my bag them and I go spend the weekend with me auntie a country. No, me not go spend the weekend with you, make you come stress me out and come knock me to death. Cause this weekend is about love and me not hang out with you with the bag of tracing. So me I go pack up my few piece of things them and go out. Me will come back here Monday. Babes, you know we have to cancel all the plans that we have for the weekend. Yes. The period just come. Me say me vex so till. And look how we plan to spend Valentine's Day together. Me period just come down for me. Alright, baby, we do it one next time. Nobody come over here this weekend, alright? Yes. Yeah, thanks. Alright then. Babes, why me there stress out? You don't know what going on? On the way if you go buy your Valentine's present. I don't know so I'm on when I back on my car. Jesus Christ. So a little money when me have to go buy the present with you. Me have to go buy your Valentine present. Me have to go take you fix up car. Me never saw it so yet. And look how me didn't want buy you what you want, man. Yeah man, next year me buy you something big and better. Alright, the baby. Hello baby. What happened? What kind of Valentine's Day present? Me not celebrate them things there. No, me not celebrate them things there. Them there some fishy thing. No, me not buy woman present for Valentine's Day cause me not believe no them fishy something there. Yeah man, me buy you something for your birthday. But no, me not believe in a Valentine's. Me not believe in there something. So me sorry. Me love you, but me can't get in a present for Valentine's because me not believe in a day fishy sitting there. You need to go read up the history of what Valentine's is all about. Alright, me baby. Babes, what you getting me for Valentine's Day? You getting me yourself? So what kind of present that? So what did get you this morning? What was that? So every day you're gonna give me the same shit. My birthday you give me you. Christmas you give me you. Valentines Day you give me you. Girl, guess what? Me and you left. Cause every day, me can give you for your birthday and me can give you for Valentine's Day. Alright, no problem. Like how you gonna give me you for Valentine's Day, me I gonna give you me too. Alright? Yeah man, everything settled. Alright, bye. Hello. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah man. Mm-hmm. Yeah man. I'll call you back. Yeah man. Later.
Hey, Keisha girl, what's up? Yeah, man. Oh, yes, I'm me and him there right now, watch TV. Yeah. You know, me I come link you tomorrow. Yeah, man, me I come link you about 9 o'clock. Cause me want you fix up my ear for me. Yes. Yes, me want you fix my ear for me. So me I come. Alright, so. Yeah, man, so we will meet at the same place around. Yeah, man. 9 o'clock. Alright, have a good night. Yeah, man. We tell him good night for you. Alright. Babes, Keisha say good night.